Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a tip that will help you get a lot of coins for free. The first step to achieve this is by buying players. These players will be very useful for trading in the upcoming weekend, as they can help you pack 97 Ronaldo or 97 Maldini, which are the most valuable coins in the game. Here's how to buy the players. 1. Head over to Market menu. 2. Search for the upcoming weekend's trading packs. 3. Look for the players you want to buy, and select the one you want to buy. Highly recommended to buy 83 players or 70. You can buy as many players as you want, but make sure you have enough space on your inventory. 4. Once you've purchased your players, you'll receive a notification that you've successfully bought them. 5. Your players will be available for 82 to 97 exchange in the weekend bonus exchange event. Now, once you've bought your players, you're all set. These players will be indispensable during the weekend, as you'll have a higher chance of packing the sought-after coins. Don't forget to also make sure you have enough space on your inventory for all the coins you plan on trading. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, so they can also benefit from this tip. You can also leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions you may have. Until next time, happy trading!